So question 8 from yesterday. Draw a pie chart to represent the following data. These children were asked to count how many letters were delivered to their house for a full week. Here are the results. So Michael received 10 letters, Brendan received 15, Roisin received 20, and Amy received 15 letters. To find out how many degrees are in each section of the pie chart, we must find what fractions of the total number of letters was delivered to each person. So the total number of letters, when we add up all the letters delivered, is 60. So Michael received 10 out of 60 of those letters. Okay, so 10 out of 60 can be simplified to 1/6. To find the size of the angle for this on the pie chart, we find 1/6 of 360. 1/6 of 360, which is the full pie chart. So Michael received 10 letters. 10 over 60 can be broken down into 1/6, and that is 1/6 of 360. 360 divided by 6 equals 60 degrees. So we know that Michael's 10 letters equal to 60 degrees. For Brendan, he received 15 letters. So he received 15 out of 60, which is equal to, when we break it down, we divide 15 into 15, it goes once, and we divide 60 into 15, and that is equal to 4. Okay, so 1/4 of 360, divide 360 by 4, and we get 90 degrees. So we know that Brendan's 15 letters equals to 90 degrees. For Roisin, she received 20 letters. So it was 20 over 60. 20 divided by 20 equals 1. 60 divided by 20 equals 3. 1/3 of 360. We divide 360 by 3 and we get 120 degrees. That is the portion of the pie chart that Roisin is going to get, 120 degrees. And we don't have to calculate Amy because it's 15 letters. So we know that it's the same as Brendan. So it'll be the same in degrees as Brendan. So Amy had 90 degrees. That's her portion on the pie chart. So let's have a look at the pie chart down here. So you need a protractor and a compass. Okay, you need a compass to draw your pie chart. If you don't have a compass at home, guys, do not worry. Draw it with a glass, draw it with a plate, anything that you can find that's circular in your house will be fine, okay? If you don't have a compass. If you do have a compass, great. You know how to draw a circle with a compass. We've done it in class before. Also, guys, look at that video from yesterday. It's very helpful. It's very, very helpful, okay? I put up the link today as well, but it's very, very helpful when you're actually drawing the pie charts. So for this one, we know that Amy and Brendan have both 90 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to draw a straight line down through my pie chart, and I have the center point in the middle. Now, guys, from our angles, we know that this angle would be a right angle. See this angle that I'm covering here? That would be a right angle. So we can label this for Amy. This right angle here is 90 degrees. A right angle is 90 degrees. We can do the same for Brendan. Look at this right angle here. We can do the same for Brendan. So Brendan is also 90 degrees. Okay. If we go on to Roisin then next. Okay, so we've got half our pie chart done. We'll go to Roisin next, and we put the middle of our compass on this dot here, and we use our outside scale like they have shown you in the video to measure 120 degrees. So this angle here is 120 degrees. And finally, we have Michael, who is 60 degrees. And we have measured 60 degree angle here. 60 degree angle here using our protractor. And we got 60 degrees. So we have Roisin, Amy, Brendan, and Michael. And all of their degrees, and I've labelled the letters that they got. So Roisin 20, Amy 15, Brendan 15, and Michael 10. Okay, I can't stress how important it is to just look at that video that I've linked today onto how to draw a pie chart, okay, using your protractor. I hope this helps, guys. Okay, well done. Okay, so you're going to do question 9 today, and I'm just going to get you started. So Mrs. Walsh had €120 at the beginning of the week and spent the money on the following item. Represent her spending on a pie chart. So she spent €15 on school books. She spent on groceries €60. Clothes, she spent €30. And petrol, she spent €15. So you have to represent this information on a pie chart. So we know she spent €120 in total. Okay, so that's the full amount. Like I've put down here, €120 are full amount. So what I've done for you is today I've done the clothes. Okay, I've done her clothes and showed you an example of how we would calculate her clothes. Okay, in degrees. So her clothes were 30 over 120, just like we did in the previous example in 8. So 30 over 120, which will equal to, when we divide it by 2, 15 over 60, which is the same as 1/4. So remember a pie chart is a circle, okay? And the full degrees of that circle is 360 degrees. So we get 1/4 of 360, and it is equal to 90. So we know that the portion of the clothes on the pie chart is going to be €30, but it's going to be 90 degrees on the pie chart. Okay. Give that a go. Try and draw it out as best you can, guys, and we'll have a look at the answer tomorrow. Well done.